Mekus makan insan.
Yeah! More masala.
More masala.
Yeah. Guys from India. Namaste. Always watch your head because Lamborghini is Filipino size.
Okay.
And this is natural air condition. So when you said Intramuros means inside the wall.
Okay.
During Spanish time, it became only city in Manila. Center of business, studying, and wedding place.
Understood.
Our service is Philippine Lamborghini Natural Air Condition.
Yes.
And that two buildings before was formerly connected.
Okay.
This is San Agustin Church, this is Agustinian House. So you can sit in the middle. Or lean back.
Okay.
I'll take photo of you. Yung pinakamagandang view din eh. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Yes, ito na. 1, 2, 3. Here, in this side. Yes. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Guys. Mom, where are you from?
India.
India. Namaste.
Namaste.
So how long you stay in our country?
Today is the last day.
Ah, this is the last day.
Yes.
So where you visit here in Philippines?
Boracay.
Boracay. You already been there?
Yes.
Ah, that's why your skin, we are same.
Yeah, that's why I'm tan.
You swim?
Yeah.
Ah, you are swimmer.
Yes.
Good swimmer, Bo. Good swimmer.
Good swimmer.
Yes. By the way, we're gonna tour around because Intramuros is very big.
Okay.
64 hectares.
Understood.
Yes. So by the way,
Yeah.
yeah.
What's your full name?
Justin Bieber.
Shout out to Justin Bieber. He's an amazing guide. I think whenever you come to Manila, you should, opt for this guide and, roam around Intramuros. Thank you so much, Justin.
As I said, all good in the hood.
All good India hood.
Yeah. All good. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Yeah, I did.
Good photography
Yes.
and good Lamborghini service.
Yes.
Yes. Orale. You said orale. Dahan ka lang, oy. Dahan ka lang.
Orale.
Bye-bye. Boss, ingatan mo yan. Iningatan mo yan kanina. Parang uwi ng ano eh, no?
Yakasha.
Ma'am, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Tamang mubit lang si ma'am.